सरकाराची स्टार्टअप पॉलिसी महिन्या भितर तयार जातली। आयटी खातीर विद्युत भवनाच्या 4थ्या माळ्यार इन्क्युबेशन सेंटर आसतले। सॉफ्टवेअर टेक्नॉलॉजी पार्क्स ऑफ इंडिया म्हणल्यार STPI इन्क्युबेशन सेंटराचो चार्ज दितले म्हण रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर रोहन खंवटे उलयला।
Startup policy in this month definitely will get launched. It's awaiting a cabinet approval, which will be coming at the earliest. ती जायना पुढे स्टार्टअप जातली. The overall IT खातीर incubation center जे आमी उलयतात will go along with that initial startup policy. We already have the incubation center in place, which is given to STPI, Software Technology Parks of India. So it's one of the subsidiaries of the Government of India. तांकां already एक ready विद्युत भवनान 4th floor already we are having about 3,000 square feet of space, which will be given for startups. So all in all, the government is looking at walking the talk, launching a policy at the same time having an incubation place for startups to start with. The concept on the policy is looking at IT anywhere. So people all over Goa have a scope to start IT startups at different locations where they want. And we are also talking to institutions and colleges to imbibe this type of curriculums or अशी infrastructure तयार करपाक जातून startup at the college level itself can get a boost. Your startup म्हणटकर it is not related to only IT म्हणजे it can be any IT related. It can be agriculture, it can be health, it can be so many factors which can be coming into this.
नुस्तें धरपाक गेल्ले कडेन बुडिल्ले दोनापावलाचे 60 वर्साच्या सोनू गावसाची कूड कानोळे दर्यावेळेर मेळ्ळी। कळंगूट पुलिसांक आयतारा सकाळी एक डेड बॉडी दर्यावेळेर आसा म्हण माहिती मेळ्ळी। चौकशी उपरांत ती सोनू गावसाची म्हण कळ्ळी। कुडीची सोनूच्या घरच्याकूय वळख पटल्या। इतले मजगती गोंयांत भोंवपाक आयिल्ल्या हिमाचल प्रदेशाचे आश्रय दत्ताक कानोळे दर्यांत बुडून मरण आयलें। उदकांत देंविल्ले कडेन तो ल्हारा बरोबर व्हांवन गेलो। घेवया एक ब्रेक।